Hi everyone. This video introduces how to fix the file system error 214-721-9196 in Windows 10. You can have a try if you get stuck in this error. Method 1. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Press Windows and I to open Windows Settings. Select Update and Security. Go to the Troubleshoot section. Click Additional Troubleshooters from the right side. Scroll down to find and click Windows Store Apps. Click Run the Troubleshooter to continue. The troubleshooter will begin detecting problems automatically. Just wait until the process ends. Follow the on-screen instructions to fix problems if any are found. Method 2. Use System File Checker. Right-click the Start icon and select Run. Type CMD in the Run dialog box. Press Ctrl-Shift and Enter. Type SFC Scano in the panel and then press Enter to execute this command. After the process is completed, exit command prompt. Method 3. Update the Photos app. Search for Microsoft Store in the search bar and then click Open to open this program. After you enter Microsoft Store, go to Library. Click Get Updates to install any available updates, including updates for the Photos app. Method 4. Check File System via MiniTool Partition Wizard. Double-click the MiniTool Partition Wizard shortcut icon on your desktop to open this app. Right-click the partition where you encounter the error and then select Check File System. Select the Check and Fix Detected Errors option. Then click Start to execute the operation. The process will be completed after a while. Close MiniTool Partition Wizard. Method 5. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows and R keys to open the Run dialog. Type msconfig in the text box. Click OK to open the System Configuration window. Go to the Services tab. Check the Hide All Microsoft Services option. Click Disable All. Switch to the Startup tab. Click the Open Task Manager link. Right-click all the enabled processes and then click Disable to disable them. Close Task Manager after you disable all the startup processes. Click OK. Click Restart in the prompted window to perform a clean boot for your computer. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.